You have a lot of interest in making money online, but yet the methods that you have been following all around are just fake, maybe not working for you. Or maybe you are still getting into how you can make money online. So I'm Sage Mike, and what I'm about to show you right here, the method that I'm showing you right here is legal and legit. And if you are consistent and if you dedicate time on what I'm about to show you right here, it will pay off. I mean, you will make a lot of money. So make sure you stay tuned and follow what I'm about to tell you right here. Then succeed in this, then you will be like, I'm waiting for the end of the month so that I can pick up something, so that I can take my salary by the end of the month, which will be huge money. So what is this best method in making money online that I'm talking about? I want to introduce you into something legal, interesting, and very easy to make a lot of money. So I'm introducing you into YouTube. Okay, come on, chill. You have no idea what I'm talking about right here. So if you have been happy to consistently make money online, then I hereby introduce you to YouTube Shorts. You might think what I'm talking about right here is really hard, but just hold on. At the end of the video, you will just start creating what I'm talking about right here. So what am I introducing you into YouTube Shorts? The reason is because YouTube will monetize shorts, ads will start running on YouTube Shorts, and short creators will start making money, same as long-term creators on YouTube. So the reason why I'm talking about shorts here is because shorts are very easy to create. Sometimes you might not need any editing when creating your shorts. So you might be like, you don't have to feel like, I don't know how to create videos. So what am I talking about right here? So how can you make money with YouTube Shorts? It's very easy to make money with YouTube Shorts because YouTube Shorts easily get picked by the YouTube algorithm. So what I mean is that YouTube Shorts easily go viral than longer videos on YouTube. And the best thing right here is that you don't have to be a professional in creating videos on YouTube before you can become a short creator on YouTube. So I'm just going to give you an example on how you can start on with this YouTube Shorts, then tell you how you can get paid, how you're gonna get paid. So if you have no idea how to start on YouTube or how you can start creating YouTube Shorts, then make sure you stay tuned to this video, because at the end of this video you will just hold your phone, then start creating YouTube Shorts and wait to get your money from YouTube. And yet you might think that you are in a country in which YouTube does not pay in that country, because that's normal. That's what people say, that YouTube does not pay in some countries. So if you think that way, then I think you should check this video up here or check the pinned comment. You will see a video on how to create and set up your new YouTube channel and how to monetize on YouTube from any other country. Okay, so how can you start up on YouTube? How can you pick the type of videos that you want to make? Okay, so if you have no idea on how you can start creating short, the type of shorts that you can start creating on YouTube, then I will recommend you right now that after watching this video, you should go to YouTube, then start scrolling on the short feeds, then checking on the shorts that are there. So while checking, you should check on the type of shorts that you think that you can make. You understand? So for example, maybe you like singing. Shorts are very easy. It needs to be less than 60 seconds. So you just stand your camera, then sing your song. I mean your own song. You don't have to sing someone's songs, because as soon as you have done that, you will get issues with YouTube, giving you reuse content issues and copyright claims. So maybe you know how to sing by yourself, you know how to create your songs. You can start making YouTube Shorts on singing. Or maybe you just want people to know your lifestyle in the house. You can start making 60 seconds videos about that. Maybe showing how you and your mom are in the house, showing how you and your sisters, siblings are always playing in the house. People love seeing that. So you can make YouTube Shorts about anything. So now that you know how you can create YouTube Shorts and how you can find the content to create on YouTube, like I said, you can go to YouTube Short feeds, check on the videos on the short feeds, then check from there. You will know the type of video that you can create. Maybe you see someone doing sports, going to gym, doing gym stuff. Maybe you are a gym lover, then you can start doing shorts on your workout. So that's very easy. Picking out your niche, picking up the type of videos that you can create from the short feeds will be very easy for you. And if you are a TikTok content creator, then this will be very easy for you because you know how you can create those videos very easily. Okay, so now you have an idea on how you can do this. Okay, so how will you get paid on YouTube, and what do you need before YouTube start paying you? For you to get monetized, for you to monetize your channel so that YouTube will start paying you, you will need 10 million short views in the past 3 months. It might sound like that 3 months is too small for you to get that 10 million short views, but I'm here to tell you that 3 months is far because the YouTube Shorts algorithm is very smart and it's very fast in picking videos. With that 3 months, if you are consistent on YouTube before that 3 months reaches, you will have that 10 million shorts, then maybe 50,000 subscribers if people really like your content. So to reach the short threshold so that you can monetize your channel, you need 10 million short views, then you need 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Or if you are interested in long-term videos, you will need 4,000 watch hours from long-term videos, then with the same 1,000 subscribers. So I don't think you can get 1 million short views on YouTube without getting 1,000 subscribers, because as long as people like your short, they will subscribe. So if you are starting on your short channel right now, what I want you to focus on, what I want you to be doing is that you need to be consistent. At least you should create 2 to 4 videos a day and upload them on YouTube. They are very easy to create. Sometimes some shorts does not need any editing. Maybe you're just editing to cut some part in which you made some mistakes, or maybe you just want to edit the voice and reduce some background noise. So if you really dedicate some time to this, by the end of the day, you can create 5 videos, you can upload 2 to 5 shorts a day, but not at once. You can upload, give like 3 hours, then upload another one. So when you reach that 10 million short views in the past 3 months, then without 1,000 subscribers, how will you get paid? So as soon as you have reached this threshold on your YouTube studio, you will see an apply button, in which you need to click that apply button to get into the YouTube partner program. So the reason why you are going through these steps is because YouTube pays a lot of money. YouTube pays a lot of money. So it's like a job. It's really a job. So it's like you are applying for a job. As you click that apply button, you will go through some process. YouTube will need to review your content, then see if the content is original, to see if you are really using your own content, to see if you are creating that content yourself or you are using someone's copyrighted content. So that is why when you start creating videos on YouTube, make sure, even if you download the videos from somewhere, make sure you add original content to that video. Like maybe you want to re-upload TikTok videos, make sure that when you download those TikTok videos, make sure you remove those sounds on those videos. You should add your own voice over to that video, then add more text to that video, add some clips of your videos to that video. Don't just download a TikTok video or from Facebook then upload. You will get a copyright, and sometimes you might get a copyright strike. So as soon as you apply, YouTube will take some few days to review your channel to see if it follows the YouTube monetization policies. When applying to the YouTube partner program, you will need to link your AdSense account. You understand? And the reason why you need an AdSense account is because YouTube pays you through AdSense. Then AdSense sends the money right into your payment method. Okay, so how can you get that AdSense account? AdSense account is not just like any account that you just go then create online, then they just start working. Well, you create AdSense account on Google AdSense, but yet it needs a lot of verification. And the reason why you need a lot of verification and a lot of review before getting into the YouTube partner program is because YouTube pays a lot of money. YouTube pays a lot of money. So it's like you are applying for a job. So if you want to know all the verification process during creating an AdSense account, you can still check that same video in which I pinned in the comment below that shows you how you can monetize from different countries. I mentioned the steps in which you need to verify before creating an AdSense account successfully. You can check it there. So as soon as you have an active AdSense account, you are now ready to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. So as soon as you get that 10 million short views with your 1000 subscribers, which is for short and which is very easy to achieve, you will see the apply button on your YouTube studio. And as soon as you click that apply button, you will have to link your AdSense account, the AdSense account that you created. And as soon as you link your AdSense account, YouTube will take some days to verify your channel to see if you are using your original content or you are using someone's content. If you are using someone's content, YouTube might remove your channel completely from YouTube because you are reusing someone's content. And still, if you are using someone's content then doing some changes, meanwhile the changes are not that enough, YouTube will still deny to accept your channel. YouTube needs something original. So if you are downloading videos from somewhere else, make sure you remove the sound from that video. The sound is the most important part. When you remove the sound, make sure you record your own sound or add your own sound, then try to change how the video is so that it will be your content before you upload it on YouTube. So as soon as you have done that, you apply. YouTube will take some days to review your channel, and as soon as you get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, then by the end of the month you will get paid. And if luckily your videos start getting millions of views, then man, you are damn rich. You are rich, you know what I'm saying? You will be rich. You understand what I'm talking about right here. So YouTube Shop is the key right now. Dedicate your time, focus on these YouTube Shops that I'm talking about. It will pay you. You and your family will enjoy this life. You know what I'm saying? You and your family will enjoy the YouTube life. You understand? So make sure you try your luck. Start your YouTube channel right now. Make sure you follow all the YouTube monetization policies. As soon as you start a channel, you will have access to all those links on your YouTube studio to follow what you need to do on YouTube and what you don't need to do. And the most important thing, avoid using people's content on YouTube. So thank you and good luck. Let's start making money with shorts.